Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today, I want to share with you my Bolzano bag opening. So if you're interested in seeing which handbag I received this month, please stay tuned. Okay, my wildflowers, how are you guys doing? Are you guys doing well? I hope you had a great Thanksgiving and you got to spend some time with people that you love. And so anyway, today I want to open my Bolzano's bag, which is extremely random because I never know when I'm getting it. And I get these random emails that say, your credit card's not on file. Well, yeah, it shouldn't be because I paid for it a year in advance. And so there's a little bit of, I don't know what's going on with that company right now. But, you know, I did buy it for the year, so I'm going to continue to get it, but I have to make sure I stay on top of it. Otherwise, I don't get my bags. And so anyway, having said that, they are nice bags. And so I'm a little bit more, you know, forgiving. So, well, let's open it up and see what I got. So, let's see. Okay, as you know, Bolzano's is a monthly or quarterly bag. No, it's not a bag. It's a bag subscription. They're handbags. And so what they do is they send it to you in this bag and not in a box. And there is also a dust cover. So you don't really have to worry about it being dirty or anything like that. Well, I hope not. And, you know, recently, the last two bags I received, they have this nice bag, which says Bolzano's right on it. And the other two bags I received had just like a plain one, didn't say Bolzano. So it was kind of like, okay, what's up with that? But it's okay. It's just a dust bag. You know, don't make so darn picky. And so anyway, how you get this is you could get either the bag itself. You can get the bag and accessories or bag and accessories and makeup. I get the bag and accessories, and those are like $33 and change. And the one with the makeup is, I believe, $10 more than that. And I think there's a new one that's coming out. But the thing is, I have so many makeup subscriptions. I don't want to get makeup from a handbag company. You know what I mean? So I just get the accessories, and you know, sometimes it's nice, sometimes it's like, oh, okay, whatever, I just throw it in my giveaway. So that's what it is. And so, and like I said, you can order it either monthly. If it's monthly is too much for you, then quarterly is, you know, you can do quarterly as well. And so, and you have to fill out a profile, and it asks you what your preferences are, what colors you absolutely don't want, and what shapes do you like. Do you like the satchel? Do you like the crossbody? Do you like small, medium, large? And you have the option to say, just send me small, medium, or large. And so that's what I do, because sometimes I do carry small bags. Sometimes I love crossbody. Sometimes I need large bags, depending on what I'm doing. And so, but there are certain colors that I definitely don't want, which is like yellow. I don't want yellow. And green is another one that I don't have a whole lot of outfits that would accommodate a green bag. So green is something I don't get either. And it also asks you, what kind of accents do you like? Do you like silver tone, gold tone? What is the other one? Rose gold tone, because the hardware of it actually will be one of those. And I said, you know what, for that, I don't care. Send me whatever. Just don't send me yellow bags. So that's what it is. So anyway, it does say on every one of them, you deserve to be spoiled. That's what this little tag says. And it comes with a cute little ribbon. And I keep this so that way I can put it away. So let's just open it up and see what happens. Okay. And I'm going to try not to look at the bag yet, but I can't help it because I think everything is in the bag. Okay, let's do that. I have no choice because everything is in the bag instead of usually the cards outside. And so here it is here. This is very cute. I actually love this. I don't have anything like this. All of my bags are either huge, and look at the color. It's so beautiful. It's fall color and so soft. And it says Bolzano right here. And it looks like it's gold toned. I mean gold toned. Did I say gold? It's silver. Silver toned hardware. And let's open it up and see what's inside it. I'm going to have to separate this piece here, the handle. Okay, I'm not going to bother taking any of this off yet because that's going to take time. Okay, on the inside is my accessories, and it's falling out of the bag. So I'm going to shove it back in there. And the accessories are in here. I just took it out because I don't want to fall out. And they usually put these pillow things that I like to save. Oh, and it also comes with a strap. So if I want to wear it as a, I guess, a crossbody or a hanging bag. Oh, I see. Here is the, this is where you would connect it. Oh, nice. And let me just get all the junk out of here. And they always put in a couple of these silica packages, which I like because I save all of these. I put it back in the bag as well, but if it's something that you can just like throw away, I save it and I stick it into like on humid days and things around the house or when I'm traveling. Okay, and it comes with a card. I think they accidentally sent me two. They were stuck together. I'm like, oh, I got two. Bonus, hey. And it always tells you about the bag. And let's see. Okay. And it's weird because it usually has the picture of the bag you're getting. This is the bag that I received last month. But hopefully this is the information on the right bag. I think it is because look at the picture is like that. So, okay, they're doing it differently now. And what the card says is, congratulations on signing up to receive a surprise and styling each month. This month, we've chosen our Francesca, especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $165. And I just told you I paid like $33, right? Okay. And so Francesca is part of our latest collection. It comes in black red, which I think I would have liked the black red actually. Brown blue. That's not brown blue. That's brown. Okay. And pink taupe. What we love about this bag is a lightweight two-way zipper, purse feet. I love that. Outline shape and optional crossbody strap. Okay. I don't see blue on here anywhere. Sometimes they're kind of off on their description. And I'm hoping I got the right bag. No, I did. So this is kind of weird. All right. Anyway, just to give you an idea, here is, okay, there's a pocket here. Interior is always so dark, so it's hard to tell. But it's right here. It's a zipper pocket. Let me see. And there's always a space here for like your sunglasses and cell phone. It's a two-split pocket that you can't see because it's so dark. But yeah, this is actually very, very nice. Uh-huh. Okay, I like it. But, you know, the colors are off, which is really weird. But this is so beautiful. I'm not going to complain. I mean, why should I complain? This is a great bag. And there's also another pocket on the other side with a zipper. Ta-da. Okay, that's that. So, that was the bag. And the accessory, it seems like it's kind of pretty this month. And you know what? My birthday's in September, and the stone is sapphire. And this is perfect. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's a set of earrings, a necklace, and guess what? There's also a ring in here. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? Oh, wow. I have fat fingers, so it's really hard for me to... There it is. Oh, that is so beautiful. I don't wear my jewelry in the house because I don't like getting it dirty, but I do wear it going out. So this one here, well, I can't put it on this end because my wedding ring goes there. But here, that is so beautiful. And of course, the earrings and a necklace out is not going to make any sense because people are not going to see it. So anyway, so yeah, that's that. So the bag is worth $165. They don't ever tell us what the accessories are worth, but it's beautiful. I love it. What do you think? You know, give me your feedback below. And also, if you're interested, I will leave a link below in the details box and you will get a 5% discount. And so, yeah, check it out and see if you like it. And tell me what you thought about the bag this month, okay? And so, like I said, I hope you guys are doing great. And if I added any value today or humor, hit like. And also, if you have any comments or feedback, put them below. And I'm going to wait a couple of seconds now. And so that way, those of you who haven't subscribed can subscribe. Did you do it? Okay, thank you. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. And remember what I always tell you. Don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.